So I've downloaded this model from 3D Warehouse, and today in this video, I'm using most fun, simple ways to do these 3 different visualizations for this model, but without the need of any render engines and just with the help of SketchUp, Illustrator, and Photoshop. Let's get into the first visualization. For this creation, I need the edges, lines, and colors as a PDF format, so it could be editable on Illustrator. And I also need shadows as a PNG file, because shadows don't appear on PDF format. I'm transferring the PDF file to Illustrator, and I've already prepared a color palette that I'm going to use. And then I'm copying the vector shapes and colors here. I'm decreasing the stroke's thickness, and instead of applying colors individually to each part like we do in a colorless version, I could easily use this technique. I'm starting with the darkest shade of gray, selecting it and going to select, same, fill color, and taking my color picker and taking a sample of the color of my choice, and all the parts and surfaces with the same fill color get the new color. And if you like this video so far, don't forget to like this please. That easy, in a few minutes, I can color a whole scene almost effortlessly. After I'm done with coloring, I'll do the rest of the process on Photoshop. I leave the villa itself be intact and untouched, but I'm adding textures to everything surrounding the villa, like the grass and the sky. I'm also adding some new elements like some tree doodles. And a colored silhouette. Now now I'm bringing the shadows. And at the end, I'm giving it a paper texture. And this is how I created a lively animated visualization. Now the second one is created like a painting using watercolor brushes. For this visualization, I need to export edges as a PDF format and shadows as a PNG format. Taking the PDF file directly to Photoshop and starting to paint by Photoshop brushes. And then I'm bringing some tree paintings. And adding a bit more details. A silhouette sketch, and then shadows, and as a finishing step, adding a paper texture. And well, this is a cute mellow visualization. Let's get into the third one. First, I'm exporting a file with just colors as a PDF. Then a file with just edges as a PDF. then a file with just colors as a PNG. This PNG file is needed for Windows refraction. The refraction, aka transparent faces, don't appear on the PDF file. And well, shadows as a PNG again. Now it's time to take my files to Photoshop. At first, I'm using the PDF file with colors. And then I'm giving the building a simple concrete texture. And then I'm bringing the edge as PDF and lowering the opacity. This way it looks sharper and bolder. And for the refraction, I'm using the PNG file. And now I'm brightening the whole package. For the sky, I'm just using a color that has a great contrast and stands out from the building. I think the yellow sky gives this project a dramatic look. And then I'm adding some trees. And the grass texture. And a man. And we're done. If you like this video, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Have a great day!